Hi, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about something that many people dream of, turning their passion into money. That's right, you don't have to settle for a boring regular job if you have a talent or hobby that you're passionate about. In fact, some people have turned their passions into profitable businesses, and we're going to share their inspiring stories with you today. Meet Sarah, a self-taught artist who turned her passion for painting into a successful business. Sarah started by selling her paintings at local art shows, but soon realized that she could reach a wider audience by selling online. She created an online store and started promoting her art on social media. Today, Sarah has a thriving business and has even collaborated with big brands for special projects. And then there's John, a baker who turned his love for baking into a profitable career. John started by baking for friends and family, but soon received orders from people outside his circle. He created a website and started promoting his cakes and pastries online. Today, John has a successful online bakery and even ships his treats to different parts of the country. And last but not least, we have Tom, a musician who turned his passion for playing guitar into a career. Tom started by playing at local gigs, but soon realized that he could reach more people by creating a YouTube channel. He started posting videos of himself playing guitar and soon gained a large following. Today, Tom has a successful YouTube channel and even offers online guitar lessons to his fans. These are just a few examples of people who turned their passions into money, but there are countless others out there. The key is to find something that you're truly passionate about and then find a way to monetize it. It may not be easy, but with hard work and dedication, it's possible. So, if you have a talent or hobby that you're passionate about, don't be afraid to pursue it. Who knows, you may just turn it into a profitable business like Sarah, John, and Tom did. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this.